Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have a 2016 Mazda CX-5, and on this Mazda CX-5 we're going to go over how you'd replace the turn indicator light that would be located over here. There is ample space to be able to reach down through back here and be able to undo that and remove it. If you need more space, you can remove the wheel well to get to it, or you can go ahead and remove the whole bumper and remove this headlight assembly. But there is enough space. This is just showing you from the back side what you're looking at. This would be spun around 180 degrees. This is a new headlight assembly, and then we have our turn indicator light right here. And so what we need to do is you need to take this turn indicator light, turn it a quarter turn to the left to be able to remove it. And you'll note on this one, or note this black wire with the red dot on it is going to be at the top when you put it back in. There's only one way to put it in. It has all these tabs here to line up and when to put it in. Now this is a double element light bulb because it works as a turn indicator and as your side marker light for clearance so people can see you. So this we have to press down, twist, and then we can pull this light out and be able to get a new one to replace it. So this light bulb here, this is an 1157. Due to that we have a decent amount of a little bit of corrosion in here because this has been open to the elements, being it's been missing the wheel well and so forth. We're going to put some dielectric grease on here to hopefully keep the connection better and that the light will work for a longer period of time. Okay, so because this is a double element light bulb, there is one way that you're going to want to put it in, and you're going to line up your tabs. We have a tab that is higher up on the bulb and then the lower one, and just look at your housing to make sure that you line those up, and then you'll be able to push it down and squeeze and turn it. If you put it the other way, it won't spin and lock in there because it won't be able to go far enough in with the tabs in the wrong order. So then once you've done that, then you'll be able to take your light here, and we're going to want to, like I said, we've got all these tabs, and we have the three large ones and a smaller one back here. So we're going to line that up, and with this one we have the little top electrical line here, and that stays up at the top, so about a 45 to the left, and then just be able to turn it a quarter turn to the right, and that would be how you would install your turn indicator light on your 2005 CX-5. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.